In this tutorial, we'll be looking at drawing graphs using polar coordinates. To work along with this tutorial, you may find it easiest to reset your calculator before starting so that the screen matches the one in the video. In the default setting, the measure of angle is radians. Choose graph mode and choose the type r equals and then type the equation. Notice the x theta t key now gives theta and draw. Notice that the convention used is that both positive and negative values of r are used. For some A-level further maths specifications, they work with a different convention, so it's possible to restrict the set of values for which the graph is drawn from view window. We can see the values for which r is positive in table mode, and notice the function is already there. I'm changing the settings to start at 0 and end at 2 pi, and I'm going to use pi over 6 for my step size, but you may find that pi over 24 may be more useful elsewhere. Execute and create a table. Scroll down to view the values of r. Remember, we're looking for the values of theta, which give positive values for r. So we need the values of theta between pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. Return to graph mode, draw and enter these values into view window. And now only positive values of r are shown. Restore the settings for theta. Back to 0 and 2 pi, and then delete the first equation. Type in the new equation using alpha and a for the letter A. Use modify to draw and scroll to the right to change the values of a. Investigate the difference when only positive values of r are drawn. The polar versions of the conic section graphs are also given in the conics menu. You can find additional resources at education.casio.co.uk.